Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you the Villana wig from the Ellen Wille Modixx collection. This collection is full of fashion forward colours and styles that are kind of tying together all of the most popular wig styles from Ellen Wille. So this is Villana. She is a slightly shorter kind of style with heaps of texture and volume. So you've got all of these beautiful curls in the synthetic fibres in this wig. She is an average cap size and it's just a beautiful, easy to wear throw on wig. I'm going to flip her inside out so that we can take a closer look at her cap construction. So here across the forehead we've got a lovely little lace front, so this is going to give the appearance as if the hair fibres are going straight out of your head, looking really natural. We have a wefted section up on the top here which is perfect for giving the volume, and a little monofilament section right at the crown, so again it's going to look like that hair is growing straight from your scalp. Along the back here we've got this section of open wefts which is perfect for letting air flow around, keeping you nice and cool and comfortable. You've also got your little velcro adjusters at the back, so although this is an average cap size, if your head is slightly smaller or slightly larger than the average size, you can kind of adjust these so that your wig is going to fit you perfectly and stay in place all day long. And then we've got our little ear tabs here which have the metal stays in. Again, that's just going to help to keep your wig in the perfect place for you. So I am going to get all ready and prepped to pop this wig on so that we can have a little look at what she looks like on. So I've just tied my hair up here and I'm going to line up this lace front with my forehead, pulling the back of that wig down to the nape of my neck. Then I'm going to use our little ear tabs to line the wig up with my temples and make sure that lace front is sitting about 4 finger widths away from my eyebrows. So here I have the Villana wig on. So as you can see, she is a lovely sort of shorter length wig with heaps of texture. You've got all these beautiful curls sitting out really nicely. You've got about 12 centimetres of length at the fringe, 12 centimetres from the crown and 10 centimetres from the nape, giving a lovely sort of layered tapered effect which is really adding to that texture. This wig is in the shade Bernstein Shaded. So shaded wigs are kind of similar in colour to what's kind of known as your rooted shades. It's just kind of new language. If you're used to and you love your rooted colours, I would keep your eyes out for the new shaded colours in the Modixx collection because that's what is going to give you a really similar effect. So I have a couple more of the colours that are available here at Judy Plum to show you. So I'm going to swap out into the next one so that we can take a look. So this is the shade Light Grey Mix. So as you can see, this is an unrooted colour, so we don't have that sort of darker shaded root if that's not something you're looking for, but you have got these lovely sort of mixed tones throughout, giving it a really multi-dimensional and natural appearance. So this is the shade Cream Blonde Shaded. So again, you've got a lovely deeper tone at that root there with all of these highlights and lighter tones running throughout the kind of main body of this wig. I feel like this really highlights the beautiful texture and it curls really well. And the final shade I've got here for you is Bahama Beige Shaded, which is a wee bit more of a warm toned blonde, again with that deeper root, which is really showing off that texture. With this wig you can style her either coming down over your face a wee bit more as a kind of swooping fringe, or you can have her sort of sweeping back, keeping her out of your face. So she's quite versatile and you can really get her sitting exactly how you want. So I'm going to show you what she looks like from a couple different angles so that you can really see that kind of texture and the tapered lengths. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Villana wig from the Ellen Wille Modixx collection. As you can see, she is just a lovely, lightweight, textured style that just sits so beautifully and is so easy to just throw on. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social medias. If you want to find me, head on over to Instagram at Jen's Alopecia, and don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel. Head on over to the Judy Plum website to see the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you again soon.